Story problems about liquid volume. Solve each problem, show your work. Be sure to include the units in your answer. Number 1 says, a juice carton has 300 milliliters of juice in it. A different juice carton has 145 milliliters in it. How much juice is in both cartons? Okay, the units, when you are solving this problem, the units are the units of measure in each story problem. So in this first story problem, milliliters are the units of measure. Okay. In the second problem, it says one morning a gas station sold 600 liters of regular gas and 370 liters of super gas. How much gas did the station sell that morning? The units of measure are liters. So in your answer, make sure you write the word liters.